Judge out of 10.
All right, let's go. Third mystery tackle box, Elite Series. You see, we got all kinds of stuff from my other two tackle boxes. Come on in here, camera girl. Can you see anything? We got Stalker Pro. That looks fancy. I wonder what that's for. Tournament grade anyway. Plastic baits. Rattle Pro. That looks cool. Crankbait. That looks awesome. Little hooks. Catfish hooks, huh? I have to check those out and see what those are all about. Offset worm hooks. Live Magic Shad. Damn. This is a pretty cool box. It's been sitting on my desk for about a month. Summer Shad. Plastic baits. Whoa. Whoa, what is that? The best lure on tour. Oh, that's badass. Alright, so we got that. What else we got? Bio Pro. I think I'm gonna switch from this to Whisker Seekers box. They got a box too. I don't think I'm gonna try that. So I got enough crappie fishing to fish for years, and I don't even go crappie fishing or bass fishing or none of that. Got some little swivs. Where's my sticker, damn it? Got a bunch of stuff here. Oh yeah, check out the sticker. So there's this month's mystery tackle box, guys. We got lots of stuff, and we're gonna go fishing, baiting up some kid poles. They want to go. So there's our video. Happy Easter, happy Sunday. Thanks for watching.